they have to buy this nonsensical history that the RSS fantasizes about. They have to buy this structure. Every single university in India, the students should know this, and I'm saying this for them. Every single university in India today has a vice chancellor from the RSS. Dharmendra Pradhan is a symbol. Your real enemy is the RSS. Keep it in mind. They are the people who are not letting you be students. They are the people who want you to be andhbhakts. And this is a reaction from the soul of India that is saying, under no circumstances are we going to become your andhbhakts. Under no circumstances are you going to define our future. Under no circumstances are we going to listen. And this is a beautiful expression. The amazing thing to me, the amazing, fascinating thing to me is that the parents of these children did not have the courage to face the BJP. The parents of these children did not have the courage to face the RSS. And yet these children, brave, imaginative, powerful, stood there and faced whatever you could throw at them. I've got some experience about facing the RSS, about facing Mr. Narendra Modi, about facing this group. The game is not about facing them. There's nothing in them. There's nothing in the RSS. The game is about facing your own fear. And that is what the students did. The students overcame their fear. The students challenged the idea that you could destroy them. They challenged the idea that you could destroy their career. They asked the question, why are you not allowing us to have jobs? They asked the question, why can we not fall in love with somebody we like? They asked the question, why do you attack different religions? They asked all these questions, and they asked it in public. You couldn't do nothing about it. And I'm very happy today to see that the so-called Home Minister of this country does not have the courage to come and sit here. He does not have the courage to come and sit here. Sir, please.
आज प्रश्न है,
I saw the Home Minister.
मंत्री जी बैठे हैं, जिनका विधेयक है वो बैठे हैं.
I saw the Home Minister, sir. Carcade. Sir, I saw the carcade. 30 cars. With the Home Minister sitting inside the car. Like that. Looking. Shaking. What is this, sir? Speaker, sir. Why is the Home Minister not here today? The Home Minister is not here today because he's not here today because he is scared. He is the Home Minister, sir. Sir, बैठ जाओ.
देखिए, आज होम मंत्रालय पे चर्चा नहीं हो रही. आज जिस विधेयक पर चर्चा मंत्री जी बैठे हैं.
The Home Minister, sir, the Home Minister.
No, आज होम मिनिस्टर पर चर्चा नहीं है. जिस विधेयक पर चर्चा है, विधेयक पे मंत्री बैठे हैं. यही व्यवस्था रहती है सदन के अंदर.
Sir, the Home Minister. Sir, the Home Minister authorized the shooting of our students, sir. He put pellets into the blood of our students. He ordered the students of India to be shot.
क्या बोल
सर, ये आप सोचिए आप कितना गलत बात बोल रहे हैं। आप कल्पना कर सकते हैं, आप बिना सोच समझ करके जो इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं और किसने फायरिंग का ऑर्डर दिया,
What is going on?
कैसे बोल सकते हैं आप? कितना गलत बात करते हैं, ऐसा मत बोलिए। राहुल गांधी जी, आप नेता प्रतिपक्ष है, गंभीरता से बात बोलना चाहिए। आप बिना तर्क करके यहाँ ऐसा बात करते हैं, ये ठीक नहीं है सर। अभी तुरंत आप किस बेसिस पे ये बयान दिया है? किस बेसिस पे आपने ये बयान दिया, बताइए। किसने आपको बताया और किस तर्क के साथ आप ये बयान दिया है? ये बहुत गलत बात बोला है राहुल गांधी जी ने, बहुत गलत बात बोला। मैं इसका आपत्ति करता हूँ, कार्रवाई से निकालना ही चाहिए, लेकिन राहुल गांधी जी आप माफी मांगिए, ये ठीक बात नहीं है। आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते, गलत बात बोला है। कैसे आप गृहमंत्री जी को इतना बड़ा आरोप कैसे लगा सकते हैं? ठीक नहीं है, बहुत गलत बात बोला है। आप गोली चलाना ये कोई छोटा मोटा चीज नहीं है। ये तो देखिए कितना गलत बात बोला अध्यक्ष, ऐसा तो नहीं बोल सकते। How can he say that somebody ordered firing? You can make statement outside in the house. You cannot make that statement. It is a serious allegation. It is a breach of his own position and privilege. This is not proper. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, आप कैसे बोल सकते हैं?